So this is the beef tongue. I'm going to make a Chinese dish. I'm going to show you how to cook it.
This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to cook a whole beef tongue, which you can eat as is or put in different recipes. First, give the beef tongue a good rinse in cold water to get rid of some of the blood and impurities. In a large pot, bring some water to a boil. Put the whole beef tongue in the boiling water. Add a few pieces of sliced fresh ginger if you have any. Continue to blanch the whole beef tongue for about 10 to 15 minutes in the boiling water. Now I transferred my beef tongue into my Instapot. Peel a small onion and cut it in half. Add about 6 cloves of garlic. And last, add 2 or 3 bay leaves. Add enough water to cover your beef tongue. Put the lid on and make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to set the timer for the pressure cooker for 50 minutes. If you don't have an Instapot, just simmer your beef tongue in a regular pot at low to medium heat for 200 minutes, roughly 3 hours and 20 minutes. Once the pressure cooking is finished in the Instapot, let the beef tongue stay in the warming stage for about half an hour. Now it's time to finish the pressure release for the big reveal. Now it's time to peel off the skin of the beef tongue. So just let the beef tongue cool off a bit and peel off the white layer, which is the outer skin. It's easy to peel off the outer skin while the beef tongue is still warm. Once the skin is taken off the beef tongue, which is also known as ox tongue, which is also known as cow tongue, it's ready to be sliced or cut up into pieces.
No.
Đúng rồi, hai thứ cái ở mà.
Có kêu.
Quay có ô tả.
Này có ý phải thiếu quên cả.
Mơ.
Cái này có xóm lên là
cả vài hiệu mẫu đó mà.
I like to serve the beef tongue in large slices. This way it looks most impressive. But you can cut the beef tongue into half slices. In my grandfather's restaurant, we used to serve the beef tongue Western style. So just a couple of slices, smothered with gravy and served with mashed potatoes. So for us, when we eat it Chinese style, we can eat it in slices as well. And then we just dip it in soy sauce. A popular way to serve the beef tongue in Hong Kong style cafes is to slice the beef tongue and then give the beef tongue a light grilling and serve with other meats. I've also had beef tongue in Hong Kong style cafes where they bake the beef tongue with tomato sauce over rice. So that's a very popular dish. You can also use beef tongue in any stir-fried dish where, for example, you want to use beef tongue instead of beef. So I'll be doing some recipes using beef tongue in stir-fries. So just cut up the beef tongue into small chunks or small pieces and use in your favorite stir-fry dishes. Enjoy!
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.
Bye.